Good evening, everyone. So, my program is that is eighth program, a design Verilog program for implementing various types of flip flops such as SR, JK, and D flip flops. So, coming to D flip flop, so D flip flop is nothing but a flip flop is a type of sequential circuit that stores and transfers data on triggering edge of the clock signal. The key feature of a D flip flop is that Q the output Q simply follows the input D and the at the moment of the clock's rising or falling edge depending on the design. So what is the behavior of D flip-flop? When the clock signal rises, the value of the input D is transferred to the output Q. The output Q remains stable until the next clock edge. If a reset signal is present and active, Q will be forced to 0 regardless of D and the clock. So you're coming to the program. Here the input D clock and reset is given, and the output is Q and QB, and the register Q is Q and QB, and always at that is the positive edge of the clock. So if reset is that reset of Q is less than or equal to 0, um, that is for synchronous reset, and we will begin with 0, that is Q is less than or equal to 0 and Q is less than or equal to 1. We will end the case and assign QB is equal to Q. This is about the program. And coming to the uh, logical gate, um, so here the NAND circuit can be used, and if the input that is clock input is 1 and D is 0, and that is the Q n plus 1 value will be 0, and if the clock value is 1 and D is 1 and the that is Q n plus 1 value will be 1. So this is about D flip flop, and finally the output will be this. If D value is 0, clock is set to 0 and reset is 1, and Q is X and QB is X. So this is the output. So now coming